Hi boys and girls, we are back doing more of the part whole. So we have all of the whole today, so we're just missing the part. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2, this is pretty easy. We're just missing 1, right? Okay, next one we have 3, 4, 5. I just draw the dots until I get to the whole. On the next one we have 3 and 4. Next, we're trying to get to 7, so start at 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And the next one, we're trying to get to 3, and we have 2. So what will you draw in this box? How many dots? Yep, just 1. Good. On the next one, we're trying to get to 9, so start at 4 and keep counting until you get to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Now we have one more. We're getting to 10 and we're starting at 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. On the back side, we're just practicing our counting again so we can really get these number patterns down. So start at 26 and keep counting. 27, 28, 29, 30, 52, 53, 54, 55. Next we have 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Good. Now please finish these on your own and then push play and check them with mine. So you're going to press pause and do the work, and then you push play and check it with mine. Ready? Go. Okay, let's check and see what we did. So we have 40 and 42. Those are the missing numbers there. Did you get it? Now let's do 16 and 18. Good. Now we have 65 and 66. Next we have 73 and 76. And on the last one we have 31 and 33. Okay, give yourself a smiley face if you were able to do all of that work, and then do what your teacher would have you do next.